This article is coming from Reuters. PinDuoDuo owners' revenue falls short on weak China consumer spending. PDD Holdings, which owns discount e-commerce platforms PinDuoDuo and Temu, missed expectations on Monday for fourth quarter revenue as China's post-reopening consumer recovery remains patchy. PDD Holdings chairman and CEO Jin Lee told analysts on a call following the earnings announcement that there was strong resilience in China's consumption market in the quarter. Sales volume of daily essential products on the platform showed steady growth. Meanwhile, consumer demand for high-quality merchandise is growing. Categories like mobile phones, beauty and cosmetic, and baby products all had decent growth, he said. However, JD.com warned in March that consumer confidence in China would take time to rebuild amid economic uncertainties. So let's just go to the chart, and this is something I had marked up at least a year ago, at least. So we see that the monthly buy zone held at 36. This monthly buy zone, why was it a buy zone? Let's go down to the weekly chart to see why it was a buy zone. Oh, okay. It's a buy zone because of this zone here. Price left the zone, pulled back, could not get into the zone, which told me that there were buyers at this level, and then shot up higher. Okay, on the way down, it formed a sell zone, a daily sell zone, which worked. Let's just go to the daily chart to see why. Okay, so this area, there were sellers here, so you had a drop in price. You had, at this level, you had orders being built up, and then you had a drop in price. So when price came back, filled those unfilled sell orders, dropped, came back, filled the remaining sell orders, and then dropped. Alright, so I'm just going to zoom out again to the monthly chart. We're going to take off okay, that looks a little cleaner. You have this big area that the price seems to love to say stop at, and it's the round whole number of $100. So we'll just put a line to indicate the $100 level. I'm going to take that off. So resistance, resistance, resistance. Alright, let's go down to the weekly chart. We can see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, maybe on the sell-off. This is forming a high low. Potentially the sell-off is going to continue, at least to fill the gap at $70. So let's just mark that off. Okay, let's go to the daily chart. And we can see the gap fill. It's a little further down. Price might be supported by the 200-day moving average. However, momentum is waning, declining. As you can see by the RSI, it's making lower highs. You could also see these moving averages are starting to cross over each other, also signaling weakness. You could also see price making lower lows, lower highs. This could be a lower low. So what's the play? There is no play at this time. I don't see a setup. Just want to look to the left and up. This might be an area where there might be some sellers, but this is at 112, so we're not going to worry about that at this time, being that price is at 79. So no setup. We just got to wait for one to appear. Don't force trades. Don't ever force trades. Trading is boring and should be boring, and at times you have to just wait on your hands. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.